Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling mobile data and verifying signal. That gives the connection bandwidth. Next, make sure your phone has enough battery or is plugged in because tethering drains power quickly. Open your phone's network settings and choose either Wi-Fi hotspot or USB tethering. Pick Wi-Fi if you need multiple devices, USB for single device stability. Once done, set a strong hotspot password and note the SSID so you can find it on the laptop. These steps get the link ready. You now connect the laptop to the phone. If using Wi-Fi, open the laptop's Wi-Fi menu, locate the phone SSID, type the hotspot password, and connect. This establishes an IP address via DHCP. If using USB tethering, plug in the cable, enable USB tethering on the phone, and wait for the laptop to recognize a new wired network interface. Once connected, check the network icon and open a browser to confirm web access. If pages load, traffic is routing through your phone. You wrap up by optimizing the connection, disable large updates, turn off automatic backups, and set browser tabs to refresh manually to conserve mobile data. If Wi-Fi hotspot is unstable, switch to USB tethering for lower latency and steadier throughput. If the laptop shows no internet, try restarting the phone, toggling the hotspot off and on, or replugging the USB cable. That often refreshes DHCP and resolves IP conflicts. If problems persist, check carrier restrictions or data limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.